Hello guys, review Lenovo Tab One, this cheap tablet. In the box we have, of course, tablet. We have adapter for charging, key, and cable. Adapter for charging and cable we have in completation. Okay, turn on device. On this side we have power button and warm buttons, plastic body, camera on the back side, 8.5-inch display. On this side slot for nano SIM card and micro SD card. Downside Type-C, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay, turn on device. We have display, HD resolution, 60 Hz, Android 15 and open benchmarks, Geekbench 6. Single core score, multi-core score results, and GPU test results we doesn't have. Open Antutu benchmark. Antutu benchmark results. Good results. And run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Game load. Works on the good graphics. Okay, close this. Good gameplay. And now we have camera, this simple camera. Okay, and that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.